Did you hear about the cool flexible phone that Motorola unveiled at Lenovo Tech World 23? It has an adaptive display and can be worn like a bracelet or watch. You can even bend it into different shapes, like propping it up on a table or wearing it as a bracelet on your wrist. The awesome thing about this Motorola flexible phone is that it has a 6.9 display when flat and a 4.6 display when curved. So you can use it as a bedside clock or even as a standalone viewing screen. What's interesting is that the phone has a fabric backing, which is unusual for smartphones. And to keep it securely on your wrist, it doesn't just friction fit, but it magnetically clings to a discrete bracelet that you wear underneath. How cool is that? It's important to note that it's not recommended to wear this flexible phone while jogging or engaging in energetic movement. It's better to keep it safe during those activities. At the moment, there's no specific date for when this phone will be available for shipping. It's more like a concept car or a tech showcase that demonstrates the company's technological capabilities. They hope to be able to efficiently mass produce it at some point in the future. Motorola is really jumping on the ad bandwagon with this flexible phone. They're incorporating some cool ad features into it. For example, it has a generative AI feature that lets you take a picture of your outfit and it automatically generates matching wallpaper. How stylish is that? And they're also working on Moto Eye, a personal assistant, kind of like ChatGPT, that can help you with all sorts of ad-powered tasks. Imagine having all that functionality right on your wrist. Motorola has something exciting in the works, a privacy model for its Eye Assistant. They're leveraging the power of AI to seamlessly protect your information and privacy. This awesome feature intelligently identifies and blurs areas in social posts that contain profile pictures and names. It's all about keeping your personal data safe and secure. Your privacy matters. The details of how this privacy model interfaces with social platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, or Twitter haven't been disclosed yet. We'll have to wait and see what Motorola has in store for us. Exciting times ahead. A phone with such versatile capabilities could definitely lessen the reliance on smartwatches like Apple Watch, Fitbit, or Samsung Galaxy. Although it might not be ideal for exercise tracking, it can easily take over all the functions related to notifications and information that smartphones provide. It's like having everything you need right at your fingertips.